Right, on a freezing day, absolutely freezing. Of course, I brought me summer gloves along because I got this touchscreen. I'm trying out the DMD2 on a Samsung tablet. I wanted to do a bit of the old icebreaker challenge, but we're a little bit late for that now. I think we'll squeeze that in by end of Feb. Plus, wow, that was heavy. Plus the transportation as well, because a lot of places up the Peak District you've got to travel, which at the moment we haven't got a van available to do that. So we'll have a little play. Obviously this tablet in front of me now is only my A9, Samsung A9, which is not waterproof. I sort of taped up the holes to the side of it just to help it along with the day. I got to order a Tab 3. I'm going to go down that road. I can't afford all these the Ford ones and that, so this will do for now. Up we go. Nice tree stump, don't want to hit that one. Little tricky lane. Again, I do like this, I do enjoy it. Be challenging, so these stones can be kicked around, kick you around, like we're doing now. Probably look like tarmac on the video. Lovely coverage on the Dakar though, if anybody been watching that. Fair play to Dan Saunders for Aussie, brilliant ride all the way through. He's done a grand job. Hence Honda was on his tail all the way, and certainly rubbed the noses of the Honda team. He's done well. Shame about Toby, and the other guy hurting his neck. Actually, this lane usually gives me a run for his money. Whether it's me today, but I'm doing quite well here. Well, that's a good cut. Right, back on the scene. I had my microphone turned off, so I don't know if that'll pick up. Well, we'll make our way up towards round by Cheddar, up on the high ground. If it's cold here, it's going to be bloody freezing up there. I think I could just feel when we just stopped then, I could just feel the blood coming back in my fingertips. And get that tingling sensation, you know. I would say that this screen, after using the phone, and then you put a screen on, like there's an 8-inch screen, is you go and look at your phone again, and it's tiny. That was good. Couple of little mini jumps. Maybe I should set the camera up low down and you can see the wheels taking off. But probably be too susceptible to stone damage the camera. I don't want to be breaking the lens. Probably not a good idea. Catch up with him. For motorcycles. I got another helmet now as well. I got the Leat 8.5 Tiger colours. I just did a little bit of a adjustment for the Action 4 camera to go on the chin piece. I did have it on the visor on the last one, but pulling off the attachment, I made a little bit hole in the visor, which I didn't like the idea of. So I did the chin piece again on this one. Slightly off camera then, so when you had the stone it was kicking me to the left by I had to just sit down and get me balance back. Out on the apps. Go Osman. That's it. Just stay on the route. Where are we? All right. I don't remember doing a drop like that. But that nice little drop off at the end, isn't there? So I think there's cyclists up ahead. Or someone in orange, unless they're running or walking. Thank you. Fair play to him going up here. Hard enough getting traction with our big wheels, not alone those little ones. Absolutely freezing. Right, deep puddle. I know these two very well. I'm not ploughing through this puppy. I don't know how much I love this bike. It's just amazing. It's just so much fun, you know. I know it rattles on now and again about the bigger bikes and horses for courses. They'll be much better on the bigger routes, you know, across Europe and stuff. But you can really have a play on these, and I know it's a 700 engine, but I got to try and stop. Fuck me, that was close. I nearly headbutted that bloody thing. The Stokes is not letting me stop in time. Better warn Paul. He'd become flying down there and then whacking into it. I had all the brakes on there and he was just gliding into it then. I was certainly testing out my new helmet. With a bang. Even though it felt quite grippy in places today, so far, the stone is not. And this downhill section certainly gets into a fair bit of stone. So, try and be a bit cautious where we can. A few bike trails, I don't know if they've come up or come down here. I don't want to be meeting a group, but I'm going down there coming up. It's been pretty interesting climbing this one. Oh, some little one sticking up. Just got to go with the flow. You end up falling into these lot of ruts. You can't do nothing about it. Get the weight back. Let that front do its business. Hopefully it don't throw you off. Oh yeah. Do a tidying up a little bit here. Job done. Oh, I can't hear his bike. Maybe not a good thing. Oh, I can hear a bit now, burbling away. Oh, freezing, man, freezing. That is nastily cold. Yeah. Ah, that's why it's tuned up, churned up at the top.
Oh, some big rocks right there.
Yeah, and you can see the little gullies where the rains come down, can't you? Once you're in it, you can't do nothing about it.
I felt it sliding in and I think, oh my fucking god.
Yeah, just get your weight back, go loose on the front and just hope it's got to do its thing, hasn't it? We could carry along here. Nice little lane. I think we'll have to stop and get some body heat back into us. Sometimes these lanes can get you really overheated. But not today. I think the cold's staying with us, old Jack Frost. Right, up the hill to the mast. Oh, I need to get over that side really, so let's get over there. This is usually just makes you slip everywhere, but it feels like there's some good traction below with the conditions, a bit of frost and a bit of mud. Seems the tyres are working well on this. It's not so bad at all. I say that for now, but who knows? There's some ruts coming up through here, I can remember, so. Whoa, back it. Good time then. Thank you. Hey, nice to see you again. One.
Well, you made it 4 minutes late. You just jumped in.
Oh, it's cold, isn't it? Why did I bring another pair of gloves? Yeah. Heated grips, anything to do me. I don't mind. So there's 2 groups then went out today, was there? 3. Ah.
Yeah, so Ian Abrams done one for himself.
Yeah.
John Henby was doing one.
Ah. So where are you heading on from now?
Pretty. Did one that way and then back again. And
Head back. Yeah, you got a soaking from a big puddle, so we're going to find some cafe somewhere, get a bit of warmth in us, and suit our attire as well, isn't it? Really, don't want to be walking in one of these posh places. Yeah. Right, the craft on. Have a good day, guys.
You log on your website and you'll be like that.
Yeah.
Or Husky man.
Yeah.
Suntan lotion.
Cheerio. Ta-da. Can't be a bugger. Oh, that's a nice parking bay. Bit like the idea of that like a log in the water then. Don't know where it went, but it wasn't there. Deep puddles I don't fancy getting wet in. I think I'll just be a frozen mess, I think, if I went down into that lot. Yeah, it got some good traction, and then you get the stones, and that just throws you left and right then. Yes, I love those little blips. Nice. always tricky. Raining now, freezing rain. Bloody lovely. Not getting much colder, I don't think. Oh, caught my leg. Finish off with, not bad at all. Oh. Bloody raining, huh? Up a little bit here, not so smooth. Guys, that's it. I'm happy with the screen and everything, and the helmet's nice, lovely. Just the conditions, absolutely freezing. To keep describing, I love doing this, and I'll catch all up with you next week hopefully. Happy riding everyone. Cheers for now.